So in this unit, we're going to look at how to create a poster for the documentaries that we are creating, a promotional poster. And so far, I've got something that kind of looks like this. It's not complete, but we've got our title up here, and we've got some little write-ups from critics. We've got some laurels from film festivals, and we've got a composite image here. This was a blue-green algae image I Google searched and a fish that I Google searched, and I kind of combined those two, so I did a little bit of photoshopping in there. Now, before I started creating this, and this is really only a fraction of the way through, I used the information on my documentary, the layout that I was going to use to inform how I wanted to structure the poster. That came from Strand B2, which was a creation of the outline and the subtopics that I'm going to investigate when creating my documentary. And so I have some basic write-ups and bullet points here, and I'm going to use those to guide the images that I search. So the next phase would be to actually start searching for images. And originally, when I was searching, for example, for the laurels that are down here, I wasn't sure what these were called. So I just typed in, I went to Google, and I think my original search was film awards, and I put clip art in there. And then slowly I started stumbling across different things. So let me go to the image search here, click images, and then I noticed the proper term was laurels, and then I changed this to film awards from film awards to laurels to be more specific, and came up with a much wider selection of laurels. Thirdly, I went under tools here, and under usage rights you can choose Creative Commons so that you get images that are copyright free, and also the size. You want a large size so that the details in your image are not fuzzy and blurry. They're not like little thumbnails. They're actually high quality resolution images. And then I came up with stuff like this. And I copy pasted that into, eventually I brought those images into my poster. So if I found something I liked, and then I right clicked on it and I said save image as, I have my blue-green algae poster here. Call it Laurel 2, give it a name that you're going to remember, and I put it in my, it's all my assets. All the pictures that I may use in my poster are in that folder, so they're ready to be used, and they're generally images that relate to a breakdown of the topics as I've been researching my subject matter. And so now I'm ready to start making my poster.